Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rina Nurul Syaadah. I'm from class 12 IPS 1 at Senior High School 3 Banjar. I'm here to present my English practice assignment on procedural text material, how to make fried rice. I will explain how to make fried rice through a step-by-step process from start to finish. Let's see how it's made. Before I explain how to make cookies, I will first explain about fried rice. Fried rice is a dish of cooked rice that has been stir-fried in a wok or a frying pan and is usually mixed with other ingredients such as eggs, vegetable, seafood, or meat. It is often eaten by itself or as an accompaniment to another dish. Fried rice originate in Indonesia. Next, what is the purpose of making this procedure text about how to make fried rice? The purpose of creating a procedure text how to make fried rice is to provide step-by-step instruction to readers on how to make fried rice correctly. Well, the following are in the ingredient for making fried rice, including 1 large plate of white rice, 1 cleaner sausage in original flavor, cut into cubes, 2 chicken eggs, 2 spring onion stalks, 3 clove salad thinly sliced, 1 clove garlic thinly sliced, and cooking oil to taste. The ground spices are 2 garlic cloves, 3 red bottom cloves, 1 candle nut, salt to taste, flavoring to taste if you like, and sweet soy sauce to taste. Next, the tool used to make fried rice include a frying pan, spoon or spatula, knife, cutting board or chopping board, and bowl or container. Next, the steps for making cookies consist of 9 steps, namely 1. Heat a little oil, cook scrambled eggs until half cooked, set aside on a plate, reduce heat. 2. Add a little oil, saute salad and garlic until golden brown. 3. Put the ground spices into wok, stir fry until fragrant. 4. Add salt, flavoring, and sweet soy sauce to taste. 5. Add the diced sausage into the wok. 6. Add white rice and stir well. 7. Add the scrambled egg, stir well, and the sliced spring onion. And 9. Cook the fried rice until done. Correct the flavor, remove from heat, and serve. Those are the steps to make cookies. Next, here is a video of making fried rice. Happy watching! Next, the conclusion of the fried rice making process is to cook the scrambled eggs, then saute the spices and other ingredients, and finally mix everything together until cooked and aromatic. And the last step is to make sure the taste of the fried rice is to your liking before serving.
I'm sure you've seen this video presentation. Hopefully, what I said can be useful for all of us. Please apologize if there are any word mistake during this video presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.